Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. And here we have the Jeep Wrangler Sahara on a 20 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. We're going to start off inside the rear boot area of the vehicle first of all. As we approach the back of the vehicle, you can see there we have our reversing sensors. You can fold this rear seat away to give you more space in the rear of the vehicle should you wish to do that. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the whole way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so we'll hop in and do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We have the rev counter on the left-hand side, the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre, you can see the fuel gauge, the coolant temperature gauge. The total miles for the vehicle, they are 21,133. Above that, it will show you what gear we're in. It's an automatic. We are in park at the moment. The information displayed above that can be changed using buttons on the steering wheel for various bits of trip computer, fuel economy information, and other menus as well. All of which are accessed using these buttons here. We have our phone controls over that side as well. On the right-hand side, we have cruise control and speed limiter. Over into the centre next, we have the main touchscreen for the vehicle. So down the bottom here, you can see that we're in the radio menu at the moment. AM, FM and DAB radio available to us. Hit media, you'll be able to access your own music. We have Bluetooth audio, auxiliary input, USB input, and you can see there multiple USB inputs available to you. Climate control, you can access on this menu, so you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature from on here. We have physical controls for this, which I'll come to in just a moment as well. There are certain Jeep friendly apps you can project up onto this screen as well. You've got your heated seat controls, as you can see, and of course satellite navigation, which is a nice clear color display. Very easy system to use. And just there we have the phone, which you can of course pair up to the car as well. And then I've just put the vehicle into reverse. You'll see the reversing camera with guidelines that show you what direction the vehicle is headed in relation to that image that's being shown on the screen. Working our way down from that, we have the physical controls for your climate control, fan speed just here, temperature for passenger and driver of course, and you can change the direction the air is being distributed in. You can see we've got a heated steering wheel, heated passenger seat, heated driver's seat. The seats have 3 separate heat settings each. The steering wheel is either on or off, as you can see, and the main volume for the stereo is also over here. We can turn off the stop and start. This vehicle is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, in turn to save you fuel. That system is off when that light is on. We have traction control, you can turn on and off, parking sensors, downhill brake control as well, and you can turn the screen off from here and of course mute the stereo from there, as you can see. We have a 12-volt charging socket, the passenger and driver electric windows. Underneath this flap we have our media inputs. So Bluetooth audio is one way to listen to music. We've also got auxiliary input, USB-A and USB-C inputs as well. The four-wheel drive systems on this lever just here, and then the main gear lever for the vehicle. So as you can see, park, reverse, neutral, drive, and it has the image of the Willis Jeep on top, which is a really nice touch as well. The last thing that I wanted to run through briefly is the paperwork we hold for the car. So you can see the V5 registration document there, 2 keys for the vehicle, and the service book with services in 2022 and 2024. It's also worth me pointing out that if this or any vehicle that we sell requires an MOT within the 6-month period at the point at which we sell it, we will do that for you as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the vehicle for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video walk around of the car, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.